Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear no body drill mud flap end bracket kit on the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado dually. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the 3 factory screws on the inside of the wheel well as shown. Next, position the custom bracket supplied with your kit into place. The bracket should sit between the wheel well and fender liner as shown. Then, secure the 2 uppermost holes of the bracket in place using 2 sets of screws and flat washers. Then secure this hardware from behind using a flat washer, lock washer, and hex nut. With the bracket now in position, we will begin loosely attaching our flap. Use 4 sets of cap screws and flat washers to attach the top holes of your flap to the bracket. Next, use a supplied screw and offset washer to attach the center of your flap to the wheel well. When installing this portion of the flap, ensure you use the center hole of the offset washer. With the center of the flap attached, begin securing the inside hole using another screw and offset washer. When securing this portion of the flap, use the outside hole of the offset washer, and position the washer so that it is facing the outer edge of the flap as shown. Finally, secure the final hole of the flap by once again using a screw and offset washer. This time, use the outside hole of the washer, and position it facing downwards so that it applies pressure on the vehicle's factory protector. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Next, with a 1/4 inch bit, drill a hole through the last hole on the flap and into the factory stone guard as shown. Finally, we will secure the flap to this hole. To start, first assemble the following hardware: a sheet metal screw, a flat washer, a nylon washer, a U-clamp, and a washer plate. Once the hardware is assembled, take your washer plate and lightly bend it so the pointed sides are bent slightly towards each other. Bending it this way will make it easier to then position it through the factory hole in the stone guard as shown. Once the washer plate is in position, secure it to the front of the flap by using the sheet metal screw, flat washer, nylon washer, and U-clamp. As you're installing this hardware, position the U-clamp horizontally. This will provide extra support and hold the mud flap tight to the wheel well. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.